Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 17. I am the father of this world, the mother, the sustainer, and the grandsire, the one thing to be known, the purifier, the syllable Om, and also the Rik, the Sam, and the Yaju also.
Chapter 9, Shloka 17. Pitaham asya jagato mata dhata pitamahah vedyam pavitram onkara ruksama yajur evacha.
Chapter 9, Shloka 17. How the different kinds of worship of a variety of forms are the worship of the one self was explained. This idea is further elaborated with living examples full of emotion and relationship to indicate that love permeated the essence of the self everywhere. Truth is the originator and the sustainer of the whole universe. Without knowledge of the reality also, the world functions outside. Why should then one try to realize the truth? Lord insists that the self is the one thing to be known, and also that having known which everything else becomes known. To not know the self is to live in the ego, a limited existence, sorrowful, devoid of the potentialities that one is heir to. To know the truth is the only satisfying end and goal of life, where alone a subtle intellect can discover peace which is everlasting and perfect. Om is the symbol of the self, the substratum of the entire universe, representing the three states of waking, dreaming, and the deep sleep states. The substratum is different from the superimposition upon it. The fourth state, supporting the three states of consciousness in each one of us, is called the Turiya. The symbol representing the four states is Om, the self, which is the theme of all the Vedas. Hence, Lord says that it is also the Rik, Sam, and Yaju. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.